Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to today's video, which is a Madgicx X honest review. As you can see that we're on Trustpilot and they have a 3.6 rating and also a verified company. As you can see, 5-star is dominating while we see 1-star at the bottom. As you can see, this person says that it is a new visually based way to manage paid traffic, super satisfied. He's been using it for a bit now. And then this guy, for him the problem is that I tried the service but I can't cancel, like there is no cancel button. I think for that you need to talk to the support. Another person is saying it is easy to use, but then this person is saying yeah, this person had the same issue that they wanted to cancel but this wasn't possible. As you can see, this guy has the same issue that you cannot cancel your membership. So yeah, other than that everything is good about this company, but basically there is no canceling option, and I think for that you might need to verify it beforehand if there is an option. But other than that, it seems like a good website so far. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.